Hello and welcome to our last mini webinar about working with MyLab Nursing, and we're going to take a look today at how to get ready for next semester. So after you've run your reports and you've looked at your student analytics, how exactly do you go ahead and copy the course? What are some things you should think about and know? Where do I find out about new features? And where do I learn about results and efficacy? So the first thing we want to do is either click up here where it says create or copy course and type in the course ID, or scroll through existing courses, or simply come to the course tab that you're looking at, click the little gear icon and click copy this course. So we're going to go ahead and click copy this course. Again, you have the choice of making it a student course for enrollment and entering course dates and a little description for students, or if you just want to first make it your course to work in, you can simply make an instructor use course, and we could say new template for spring 2020, for example. And then we can set it if we want other instructors to be able to copy it, and we can click to create the course. Now what that will do is make an exact copy of what you have now, all of your assignments, due dates, and everything. So once that copy is created, you would want to go in there, edit your due dates, maybe edit some assignments, any other changes that you wanted to make. Once that course is created, again, keep in mind you may need to go in there, make those edits. You might also want to create a new assignment or two. So you can always check one of our other mini webinars about working with assignments. Remember that course creation can take a few minutes, up to possibly an hour or two, so you may need to come back to your screen and refresh. You will receive an email when that template is ready. It's easy to click and drag and move these course tabs around the screen. Again, remember too, you can also click to use list view so you can see your courses listed instead of these tabs. If you choose to use this option, you can also click this little details button, and again you'll get to this page where you can make a copy of an existing course as needed. Okay. Now we're going to go to MyNursingLab.com, and we're not going to log in. On this particular page, we can take the look at the results library and see what's available. So here's a case study where we have MyNursingLab educator study documents an increase in exam scores and final course grade. So if you click into this, you'll be able then to see how they set up their course and what happened. Might give you some ideas. You can also keep tabs when you log into your course to see what new features might be available. So there are two places you might see that. First, you might see some alerts about upcoming features with this little bell icon up here. So for example, at the end of September this year, we had an update release about performance analytics. This gives you some information about those. You might also see at the end of June or December, for example, some updates about new features. Now they may or may not always apply to your particular course, so you do want to pay attention to the fact that these announcements may be specific to particular content areas, but those are always helpful. The other thing to do once your course is created is to click into your course and take a look at the resources on that page. One other thing to note here is that your course may go to a new edition. When that happens, you will see a little prompt occur on your page. Notice here this tab says new edition available. Now this is a sample math course, but if I wanted to convert my course to the new edition, I would be able to go explore that and then import my old assignments and or edit and take a look at things and make some changes again before the semester started. So if you are prompted to convert to a new edition, you'll also see information there as well. Just before we close out our little webinar for today, I do want to click into this course. We've created our new section, and we want to draw our attention again to the fact that there are resources in here for students as well as you. Under instructor tools, you can scroll down and look at support, and you can see that there are some resources for instructors as well as students. There's also under instructor tools an animated lecture series and classroom preparation resources. Oftentimes, if there are some new resources here under textbook resources and you click, you will see that there are some materials here that you can use as well. So again, thank you for attending our webinar series about MyNursingLab Have a great day.